I think right now we're at a point in this country where the cost of housing has outgrown the pace of people's incomes. To do anything in life, you have to have a sense of security, and people can't do that if they don't have a safe and secure environment. And I think it's important for Citi Community Capital to step up, that we finance affordable housing that are much needed in our community.
The American Gold Star Manor is the pearl of Long Beach. This building is primarily for seniors with a priority for American Gold Star mothers, women who lost sons or daughters in the military. We also have U.S. veterans who have a permanent place to stay.
I wake up every morning and I'm grateful that I'm here. We're in the middle of the city, and yet you feel more like you're out in the country.
This is like my family. I call this my American Gold Star family here.
Citi has a long history of supporting veterans through our citywide initiative called Citi Salutes. And one aspect of that program is also grants for affordable housing projects for veterans and their families.
We worked with Citi Community Capital to bring the resources needed to revitalize American Gold Star Manor, to rehab it, to extend the useful life of the building, to deepen the affordability for the residents who were living there, and to ensure American Gold Star Manor would be sustainable over time.
We're just like family here. That's the best, because when my husband died, I thought I'd be alone, but it seems that the support of everybody is so comforting that grieving is in a minimal. This place is very special because we can afford to stay here at American Gold Star Manor.
It's really that public sector investment, that it's matched with the private sector subsidies that allow us to be successful in our work.
Our job is to be the best for our clients by providing them with financial services, being fast, responsive, and responsible. And I think what we're doing here at American Gold Star Manor is crucially important.
We cater to those who made sacrifices for their country, and now we take care of them because they took care of us.